Hello, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax in Stuart. Welcome aboard this brand new Boston Whaler 350 Outrage. What an incredible boat. As I walk up towards the bow, you can see this boat has a nice table that does drop down to make a platform that's great for fishing, or you can add the cushion package and enjoy the day with the family cruising or hanging out at the sandbar. This boat has a great sun lounger with storage underneath it on the front of the console. Boat's equipped with radar, does have outriggers. Walking back, you can see the amount of room in this boat. Lots of room for walking around in it, fishing, having fun with the family. Inside the console, big head area. Lots of storage compartments in here, lots of room, proper marine toilet. As we make our way to the helm, this is configured absolutely wonderful. Twin Ray Marine GPS fish finder combos, VHF radio, Mercury joystick, phenomenal stereo system, really well set up. This boat does have the bolster / seat configuration, so you can put the front cushion down and enjoy it as a comfortable seat with the armrest, or have a proper bolster for running offshore in big water and standing up to drive. Boat has a folding rear seat. It also has a folding side seat, along with a great dive door. Nice tackle center, area for working, for fishing. Now, if you're not a fisherman, that live well and that tackle center also are great for garbage cans or cooler and for storage. Boat's powered with triple Mercury Verados, phenomenal running engines, very fuel efficient, very quiet. All right, for more information on this boat or to get out and take a ride on it, please feel free to call me. Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart, 772-263-6743. Thank you for your time.